Kwa ihinda rĩa thiku makiria ma mirongo iri, arigitani gikiro kia clinical officers makoretwo maigite miro yao thi. No riu mugomo ucio ni wateanirio thutha wa kiama kiao gwitikaniria na thirikari nene na cia county kugia na miario ikuoya ihinda rĩa thiku mirongo itandatu.
Everyone should be on duty by Monday. Under the Kenyan citizenry also we request that they can still now seek services in the public sector.
Indeed, we've agreed on a process forward with timelines. We hope that both of us can be able to commit to meeting what is required of us.
And those issues will have to be first embedded in a recognition agreement for the young union which has been registered to take care of that cadre of staff, and two, that will lead to a CBA which will be registered with the courts, and that CBA will fit within the framework of negotiations which we are going to have.
Ona kuri uguo arigitani aya megukorwo makiheana motungata ma urigiti kuri arwaru a kuroka na kuinuka kuona ati athiriti ao gikiro kia nurses matiri maracokereria wira.
I also do hope that the other cadre of health personnel, the nurses, can heed to our appeal which we made a couple of weeks ago in regard to them returning back to work, but and then we can be able to resume the negotiations for the CBA where we had reached the last time.
Na uguo ritana rigikiruto kuri nurses gukofia aruna ao minister wa ugima wa mwiri akioneka kuhuthahuthia murugamo wake wa hau kabere uria araugite matikwaraniria na nurses ringi ona gutwika arauga nurses nio makoretwo makihotomia miario ya gukinyaniria uiguano.
We had good discussions in the morning, and we agreed what we can and what we can't, and therefore they went to seek more guidance from their membership. But when you have dialogue on a Monday, you go to seek guidance and you do not revert back with a yes or no, then as a ministry and as council of governors, you are left in the dark.
Mugomo wa nurses ukirikana kuhotomia motungata mafata ta uheani wa jajo na atumia kuheo ciana.
Immunization, which is the basic prevention, and we can see some of these outbreaks which are coming out could be a sign of what has happened during those 4 months. But we have data, we are looking at it, and we are putting in measures to be able to reach out some of those most affected areas.
Mugomo wa nurses uthiete kwa ihinda rĩa makiria ma mieri 3 riu. Gerifotera Inooro TV, jetagwo Monica, Kagoni.